Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are gonna discuss how you can manage bookshop in Marg Software. First of all, let's see the specifications of bookshop management in Marg Software. Now here first point is set of bundles. As you know, in schools, there are set of bundles for different standards like first standard, second standard, 11th or 12th standard. So if customer comes to your shop and ask about 11th standard books, so you have to search books in different racks, and at the time of billing you have to select each book manually. But in Marg Software you can create set or bundle of books standard wise, which you can load in a single click at the time of billing. And through this your manual work gets reduced and billing gets fast. Second point is rack number. You keep the books in racks and every rack has a number, but at the time of billing you have to search the books in a particular rack to remember which book is placed at which rack is a bit difficult. But in Marg Software you can define rack number in item master, which book is placed at which rack, and then you can view rack number at the time of billing. Next is generic name of item for multi-language typing. Means you can define item name according to your state or according to your language like Gujarati, Punjabi, Marathi, etc. Next is multi-currency conversion for international books billing and payment receipt. This option can be used for international books. As you know, there are international level novels and books whereof rates is also in multi-currency. But to convert the rate according to the country currency, you have to calculate the rate manually. But in Marg Software, you need not to do any work manually. You can simply update multi-currency rates, which is automatically converted by Marg Software according to country currency and generate the bill accordingly. Next is we can maintain groups like publishers, writers, novels, etc. Means in Marg Software, you can maintain groups of books, publishers-wise, writers-wise, authors-wise, etc. Like, if you want to search novel at the time of billing, then you can do that also. So now let's see how you can use these options in Marg Software. So first of all, the screen which you are looking here is called main screen. Means it's a main screen of Marg Software. Next, the bar which you are looking at the top of the window, it's a title bar on which it shows you software name, version, financial year, company name and username. Then it's a menu bar like master's menu, transactions menu, accounts menu and so on. After this, at the left hand side, you can see recently viewed reports. And this report is auto-generated by the software. And the benefit of this report is that once you use the option, and if you again want to use the same option, then you don't need to move to the menu again. You can simply select that option from recently viewed reports. Then here you can see the shortcut buttons, and you can also add the shortcut buttons according to your need, or you can say which you used frequently. After this, here you can see the Marg dashboard, where you can view the brief financial status of the company like sale, purchase, accounts, bill outstanding, etc. In short, you don't need to view financial report or accounts report. You can simply view the dashboard and analyze the financial status. So friends, first of all, let's see how you can create masters in Marg Software. Firstly, you will go to Masters menu. Then here you will see the first option is Ledger Master. And in this, first option is New Ledger. Click on it. As you click on it, a new ledger window will appear in front of you. And from here, you can create your ledger. And now suppose we create a ledger, Sharma Stationery. Next is Station, and here you can select the location of the ledger. Next is Group, and from under Group, you will select the ledger you are creating comes under which group, like bank, debtor, creditor, etc. So right now here we select sundry creditors, suppliers. Next, here you can define balancing method. Then if they are opening balance, then here you can define that. Next is mail to. Here you can put the address of the ledger that they wanna print on the top of the invoice. Then here you can enter address, email, PIN code. So in this way here you can fill the details of ledger. Now we save it. So in this way you can create ledger. Again go back to master's menu, ledger master. Now here next options are modify ledger and delete ledger. Means from here you can modify and delete the ledgers. Next is new sale. Means from here you can create sale type like local sale and central sale. Next are modify sale and delete sale. It means from here you can modify and delete the sale type. Next is new purchase. Means from here you can create purchase type like local purchase and central purchase. As well as you can modify or delete that also. Next, you can maintain budget and targets. You can view list of accounts. And if you want, then you can also import and export ledgers. After that, next is account groups. In Marg Software, all groups are available which we use generally. But however, if you want to generate new group, then you can do that also. Next, we move on to inventory master, in which first option is item master. Press enter key on it. As you press enter, it opens items list. And if you wanna create new item, then press F2 key. As you press F2 key, it opens new product window in front of you. Now first of all, you will see rack number. And here you can define rack number. Means the item or book which you are going to create here placed at which rack. For example, we enter here G7. Next is product. Here you will specify product name like we enter Revolution 2020. Next is cell font. As we have discussed earlier, you can use font name according to your state like Gujarati, Punjabi, Marathi, etc. So for now we skip it. Next is publish. And now here you can see that it opens publish window. And from here you can select publisher name. Means the book which you are creating is of which publisher. And here if you wanna create a new publisher, so for that here you will press F2 key and can create a new publisher. So for now from here I'll select Prakash Publication. Next is author. Means the book which you are creating is of which author. And if you wanna create new author, so simply you can press F2 key. So for example, from here, I'll select Chetan Bhagat. Next is category. And here you can select category. Means the book which you are creating comes under which groups. And if you wanna create new category, for that here you will press F2 key. So for now from here, I'll select novels. Next is medium. And from here, you can select medium like Hindi, English, Bengali, etc. And to create new medium, so for that, here you will press F2 key. So friends, in this way you can enter further details of product here. Now after that, here you will see the field value in. As you press spacebar, then here you will get multi-currency. Means the product which we created is in which currency? Dollar, pounds, euro and rubles. So now press enter and save it. And after that, if you want, then you can modify any product here by pressing F3 key. And to delete, simply select the product and press delete key. After that, if you select any product, then it shows you the further details of selected product here, as you can see here. So now after this, we again go to Master's menu, Inventory Master. Then here you will get options Publish Master, Author Master, Category Master and Medium Master. And from here you can also create, edit and delete these masters. If we select Publish Master, so now by pressing F2 key you can create Publish Master, and by pressing F3 key you can edit existing master. So in this way you can create other master also. Next is Rate and Discount Master, and here first option is today's dollar rates. As we have discussed earlier, you have to update rates. So here you can define multi-currency rates, which is automatically converted by Marg Software according to country currency. Next is Price List. If you have price list in Excel format, then you can import that also. Means you don't need to enter price manually. You can simply import Excel file and software gets updated price automatically. Similarly, you can set discount, and moreover you can also create set of bundle, which we have discussed earlier. In Marg Software you can also create bundle of books, and you can also feed ledger opening balance. Now after discussing about masters, we create purchase entry. For that, we go to transactions menu, then purchase, and then bill, or you can also press Alt P for the same. Firstly, enter the date, then press enter. And now here you can see that ledger window will appear. And from here, you will select that ledger from whom you are purchasing. Like we select Sharma Stationery. Then enter bill number. Then it opens items list, and from here you will select that product which you are purchasing. For example, from here we select Revolution 2020, which we had created previously. Then enter quantity, purchase rate, and if there are discount, then you can mention that also. And after this, press Enter key to save the bill. Now after creating purchase bill, we move on to sale bill. For that, go to transactions menu, sale, and then bill, or you can also press Alt N for the same. Now press enter. As you press enter on it, it opens sale entry window in front of you. First of all, you will enter the date on which you are creating sale bill. Then select ledger. Generally cash billing make in retail shop, but if you wanna create ledger, press F2 key. But now we select from here cash ledger. Press enter. And now here you can see that it opens item list. And now from here you will select that product which you wanna sell. Enter quantity, press enter. And now here you can see software picks up rate and discount automatically. Means at the time of billing you don't need to switch on to rate and discount columns. If you define rate and discount in item master, then software picks up that in bill automatically. But if you wanna make changes here, so for that, first you will press escape key, press up arrow key, and then press right arrow key. As you press right arrow key, it jumps to rate column, and now you can change the rate accordingly. For example, we enter here 90. Similarly, you can specify discount here. For example, we enter here 2. And now we press End key to save it. Now we create next bill. Now suppose we select international book, then enter quantity, then press enter. And now here you can see that software calculated its amount automatically. And if you look at the bottom of the window, then you can see it shows the multi-currency rates which we have updated. Now, as you can see here, the amount of dollar is 62.35 and the rate of this book 30 is in dollar. And now you can see here software convert this dollar rate in rupees automatically. So in this way software automatically converts the rate according to the country currency. Now press Enter key to save it. Now after that, let's see how to create set of bundle. For that you will go to Masters menu, Rate and Discount Master, and then Set of Items. Press enter on it. As you press enter on it, it brings up set of items window in front of you. And here you can see we have already created one set of bundle. But if you want to create new set of bundle, for that you will press F2 key and you can see set of items window will appear. Now here first field is item set number. Here you will define set number. Now as we are creating set number for class 8th, so here we enter 8th. Next is formula 4, keep it as 1. Next, here you can define set name. Then you can specify use for, means here you will enter the purpose of this set is being used for. For example, we enter class 8th. Next is party all or selected. Keep it as all. Now press enter. Now again press enter. And now from the items list, you will select those books which you want to define for class 8th. Like we select mathematics. Then enter its quantity 1. Then select next book. Like we select English. Then enter its quantity. So in this way you can define other books also. Now press escape key and sure to quit yes. Now after this, let's see how you can load this bundle at the time of billing. First of all, we generate the bill. Then select ledger. Press enter. Now as you comes on product part and to load set of bundle by pressing Alt F12 key. Then you can see it opens select set of items window. Now suppose customer comes to your shop and wanna purchase books of class 11th. So simply from here you can select set of class 11th. Then press enter. As you press enter, it opens set of items window and here you will simply press enter key. And now here you can see that it has been loaded the products with their quantity which you have defined in set. Now simply press Enter key to save it. So friends, in this way you have seen through set of bundle your billing gets much faster. You don't need to select each book manually. Now after saving the bill, you can see the print window where you can see 1, 2 and 3. It means how many copies do you wanna print. And if you press F key, then you can view its print preview. And if you want, then you can also design format according to your need. Apart from this, we discussed that in Marg Software you can maintain categories and groups. Like at the time of billing, if customer says he wanna buy novel. So at the time of billing, if you wanna view all novels or if you wanna view the book of particular author, so you can do that also. So now let's see how you can implement this. When you generate the sale bill and jumps to items list and press F9 key. As you press F9 key, it opens publish window and from here you can select publisher, which books you wanna view. For example, we select Sanjay Publication. As you press enter on it, then it will show you the books of selected publisher. After that, if you want to see books of all publishers, for that you will again press F9 key and press escape key. Now after that, if you want to view book of particular author, for that here you will press FH key. As you press FH key, it opens select author window, and from here you can select author which books you want to view. For example, from here we select Chetan Bhagat. Press enter. As you press enter on it, then it will show you the books or novels of selected author. And after that, if you want to view books or novels of all authors, for that you will again press FH key and press escape key. As well as if you want, then you can search items category wise also. For that you will press F11 key. Then you can see it opens select category window. And now from here you can select which category book you wanna view. Like we select novels. And now here you can see that it has opened all novels here. So friends, in this way you have seen at the time of billing, you can search books author wise, publisher wise or category wise. Apart from this, there are thousands of reports available in Marg Software, and you can customize those reports according to your convenience. As well as you can export any report in XLS, Word or PDF. If you look in Books menu, then you can see here you have reports like Cash and Bank Book, Entry Books, Purchase Register, Duties and Taxes, Outstandings, and you can also view debtors and creditors ledgers. Moreover, if you go to Final Reports menu, then here you will get financial reports like trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet, ratio analysis, and cash and fund flow. Similarly, if you go to Stocks menu, then here you will get reports associated to stocks. And if you go to Daily Reports menu, then here you will get almost all those reports which you used on daily basis, like purchase report, inventory reports, and so on. Moreover, if you go to Reports menu, then you can see sale analysis, purchase analysis. You can view inventory report, management report, accounts report, and so on. So friends, as I told you earlier, there are thousands of reports available in Marg Software, and you can customize those reports according to your own convenience. So in this video, you have seen how you can manage bookshop in Marg Software. And for further query, you can call us on 011 309 69600. Or you can do online chat on our website www.margcompusoft.com. You can send SMS on 56767 and you can view our video tutorials on www.tutorial.margcompusoft.com.